Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner, in the part number 2. So here we've got a pen drive with OSU1, and here we've got an Xbox which we've done in the previous part. I'll set up magically over there so that you won't have to wait, with a monitor, with this game console and with a pad, and we will see if pen drive which has Windows installation on it, and only I've added OSU1, will be enough, or we have to prepare properly, as I always done in the past, pen drive for the Xbox. Okay, so be right back. Okay guys, so as we see, we've got a pen drive. Can plug it in. We've got a gamepad already on. We don't have a synced controller, so we need to sync it. Okay. Okay, syncing. Restart Xbox, troubleshoot, we don't need that. So let's switch it on, switch it off, let's switch it off, yes. And it was a sync, eject and power on. Okay, now we can reset. Offline update doesn't work. So in that case I might need to prepare the pen drive properly, which is not nice, because I thought I can just literally, you know, add to my Windows USB pen drive OSU, and that's me, you know, like no problem. So I'll give it a one more bash from the USB at the back, and if that won't work, if this one won't work, yeah, it doesn't work, yes. So I'll pause it, I'll try the last USB port over there, and if that's the case, I have to prepare proper pen drive as I was always having. I've got one more here, so I can do it. But it's a bit annoying, you know, that you need to do things twice. I need to get some additional smaller pen drive, because that's 64, that one 32, I think, gigabyte. I need to designate one. It should stay over there. That's us, you know. Be right back. Okay guys, so I just went on the Microsoft website and I've checked that. I'll read what it wrote. Note, the files should be copied to the root directory, and there shouldn't be any other files on the flash drive. So unfortunately we can't have more than one. But it is what it is. I'll keep on going. It's copying me files, so let's wait and let's come back when it's done. Okay guys, so I've got 2.0, I think, 64 gig. Let's check it out. Oh, it's turned on. Again, offline system update. You know what? I'll do it. I'll tell you what was wrong. because now it's done everything. Yes, so that means pen drive is formatted with NTFS file system. Files are copied, like a whole folder was copied to the root folder of that pen drive, so it should work. So either there is a problem with USB port, or I'm doing something which I'm not aware of. Yes, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I think I figured it out. Let's try it this time. I don't know, I'm just guessing, and if so, I'll tell you. Yes. What I did is I've unzipped. Oh, you see, now it's blinked and now it's fine. So let's do it. Okay, let's connect it. Let's go. Now what's happening? I'll pause it once it's finished, then I can continue. But what I've done is, it was my fault. Instead of me copying the content of the OSU1 folder after unzipping it, yes, so I've downloaded the file, it's called .zip, then I should unload it and it's called OSU1, and then the content of that, which is an update file with $sign, I should copy to the main folder on this, the root folder on this, yes. As I didn't, and I did copy the OSU file, which was straight away unzipped from the zip file, yes, so it's a folder. Hopefully I didn't confuse you. You know, you get a zip file, you get an OSU file, well, folder, yes, because the description on the Microsoft website is actually not that clear. It's saying file, but it's not file, it's a folder. So you unzip the OSU file, you take the OSU folder now, OSU1 folder, and open it, and inside you will see the $update folder. So that folder you copy straight to the pen drive root folder, yes, and that's it, and that's why it's working. And I just forgotten about it, and I've read over there file, there is no file, you know, their description is just unprofessional, just made a mistake, and that's why. But anyways, you know, that's us, 34% copied, so I'll be back once it's finished. Okay guys, so to speed up, I've got a app I can connect, and I can connection successful, so I can set it up. Yes, you see it's connected, and next, English United Kingdom, yes, so this one, good. Next, Wi-Fi, you can connect. I'll enter those details, okay, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that's us. I can say that I was able to log into the account, yes, peterpaul@hotmail.com. I was able to connect to the network, everything's fine. You'll see it a bit closer. The legal stuff, no, yes, I can do it here, it's not a problem. It will be wiped anyway. It's just for me for now. So whatever I'll do here, it's okay. That's it, and we will be in the main dashboard after a wee while. Okay, Xbox One, apply settings, I don't remember. Link controller, skip this, and don't change. I don't have one. Voila, that's us. That will take a few seconds as well. Oh, already, okay, other plans, no thanks. And Xbox is back to the life. So the problem was with the hard drive, as we've seen, and now it's back to normal. I'll install some game. We can just check no game. Well, it would be if I would check it before, but I see games over there. I'll pause and we will see only if it's reading, and if so, we can call it a day and switch off the recording. Okay, so I've got Halo 5 here and Grand Theft Auto. Well, I haven't played in Grand Theft Auto for too long. If this will recognize and start to install, we can call it a day. Okay. So it is installing. In that case, it's fine. Guardians needs an update. Okay, we can update it now. But it is installing, so it's okay. I know this drive was fine, guys, so that's it. That's us. Job done. Hopefully this Xbox will find a new buyer, new owner, yes, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Hopefully you get some value out of it. If so, please leave us a like button. Yeah, we'll be fine. It was fine, it was just slowing down because of the hard drive, so what else we can do with it, you know. I'll play a bit because it's a Sunday today. Yeah, it's a Sunday, it's a 13th of November 2022. So you see how many videos I've got up front that I didn't release it till then, yes? I've got about 2 weeks of recording. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. If possible, let's fix them all and see you in the next video. Bye bye.